Hey guys, how's it going? Cesar Rodriguez here, and I'm so excited to share with you this very hot new strategy that will allow you to generate same-day leads, sales, and enrollments into your business using Facebook. Now, this is a unique strategy that I unfortunately can't take credit for. I wish I did, but I didn't. It's actually been invented and been created by my friend Justice, and I'm actually going to have him on a webinar to share with you exactly what you need to do to implement this into your business so you can generate high quality sales conversations with very good prospects that are dying to learn about your product, service, or opportunity. These are some of the easiest people to sign up and close and recruit into your business. So if you want to learn how to use this strategy and how to be able to implement it immediately without having to do prospecting or needing a website or any complicated technical savvy skills, then you absolutely are going to want to be on this webinar, because this was not easy to book him, but I wanted you guys to be the first to know about this strategy, because when he told me this, I was blown away and I knew immediately I want to be the first to bring this to you so you can capitalize on it before the whole world finds out about this and starts using it. So I want you to be one of the first so that you can make the most money, because you are my friend if you follow me. So if you're interested in this, go ahead and look for a link or button somewhere around this video, click it, and register to attend this free training that I'm doing.